Okay, so hi everyone, very good evening all of you. Welcome to this live stream only onto the YouTube channel Fun with Data Science. So yes everyone, tell me, how are you people doing? Okay, one second. Okay, Mohammed Nadeem, hi chat box so that I can get to know that okay you are here today. Hey welcome to the live stream. I hope you are doing good. Okay, Aarti, good to hear that. You're fine. Good to hear that. Hi Pradeep, welcome to the session and happy to join once again your session. I'm happy to have you here, Pradeep. I hope you are doing good. Hey everyone, hi all of you, welcome here. So today you will be getting your resumes reviewed live here into this respective live stream. Hi welcome to live stream. I hope you are doing good. Hi Shiva, welcome to live stream. I hope you are doing good and thank you. Thanks a lot for asking. I'm doing good. Oh, thank you. Thanks a lot, Aarti, for asking out. I'm doing super good. Thanks a lot for asking out. Great everyone, so today you all know that why here we are all. So today I'll be reviewing up your resumes live into this live stream only. Okay, I'll be helping you out with what more changes you have to make in onto your resume so that you can get into your dream jobs, dream companies. You can get shortlisted for the same, and further you can go ahead and apply and give in your interviews, right? Because we know that most of the times our resumes are not shortlisted, they do not get accepted, and further we do not need have the chance to go ahead and showcase how talented we are or what are our skills, right? So in that case today I'll be helping you how you can get in your resumes shortlisted for your dream internships or for your dream jobs. That is what we'll be doing up today. Hi Kirti, welcome to live stream. I hope you are doing good. Hey Kundan, welcome to live stream. I hope you are doing good. Super glad to have you all here in the live stream, guys. Super glad to have you people. Okay, so I will not waste too much of time over here. Okay, what I want to from you all, first of all, if there is any person who has right now joined in the live streams, so the link for the Google form into which you have to upload up your resumes for which you want me to review it for you. So upload up your resumes into the pinned comment which is just right here in the chat box. Okay, you will just get the Google form in the first of the chat box. Check it out, fill that out. And second most important thing that you people are forgetting is that everyone please hide your contact details. I am seeing a lot of resumes into which you people have opened up your written up your phone numbers, you have written up your email IDs and everything. What I request is that every one of you please hide in your phone numbers. So what you could do, you can write it into a manner like you can just write it +91 and you can do XXXXXXX like that, right? So I request each and every one of you to do this respective thing because it's again with the place where I am using up your resume. It's one of the very public places, right? I'll be showcasing your resume over here onto the screen and telling you all over that generally how the things will be work or what more changes you have to make into it, right? So for that I don't want any one of yours personal information anyhow to get out over here in front of anyone, right? So this is the number format into which you have to write in your phone numbers. I hope I am pretty clear with the same. I hope I am pretty clear with the same, guys, at what format you have to write in your contact details, contact numbers, because it's a public platform. Here if I will open up your CV, your contact details might get out and that might create a problem for you at anyhow, right? So try to give me all the resumes with this format of a numbering which is +91 and then XXXXXX like that. Okay, hi Royal Class, welcome to the live stream. I hope you are doing good. Okay Aarti, great. Okay, Very quickly, now what I want everyone whosoever have submitted their resume and they are present in this live stream, I want you people to write down your names in the chat box, and one by one I'll be reviewing up your this resume over here. Be quick guys, just everyone very quickly write down your names. Whosoever has submitted their resume for me to review it out, write down your names in the chat box so that I can get in you and I can find in you. आशुतोष, नहीं है PDF और ना ही JPG फॉर्मेट अपलोड हो रहा है, कैसे करूँ? Okay, आशुतोष, what you could do is that आशुतोष, into that case, right, what do you have to do? You just have the doc format, right? You might have created up your resume in the doc format. Upload that doc format only. ठीक है, upload it in doc format. Okay, Tanushri, okay, fine, we'll review it for Tanushri. Let's okay, here we have it for Tanushri, and I'm gonna open it with the Google Docs. Okay, okay, fine, let's go ahead with the resume for Tanushri first of all. So Tanushri, if I see your resume in one go now, it seems to be a little messy. Little messy means like things are quite very much congested into it, right? So okay, you're from okay, you have your GitHub links, you have your LinkedIn ID, your email ID. Here you'll be writing up your phone number. That's completely good. Education, BTech Computer Engineering, the CGPA is quite good. Yeah, you can mention that. Okay, 12th was CBSE. Okay, yeah, 12th was from CBSE, Venkat International Bangalore School, 81.1%, April 2019. Okay, that's quite okay. Okay, do one thing, you can just remove up these dashes from here. Okay, these dashes which you have put down in between, remove those from here, and you can just simply put a dash like this. Okay, remove that straight line and put the small dashes. That will work out much more correctly. Languages and databases. Okay, you can make up a separate corner that will be having your skills corner, like you have made it for education now. So I request you to do something, let's say you have written here. Okay, you let's say have written here something like skills, like that, right? And under that skills you can write up these respective ones. Okay, so make a separate section. Languages, databases, okay, technical is good, packages, library is quite very good, software skills, perfect. This skills version is quite very good. Talking about your work experience, you had work in Google, okay, June to August, okay, work on project. You have the GitHub link. Is that link working? Let me check in once. Okay, check once at your end, Tanushri, is your link working or not? Okay, just once check at your end, is your link working or not? Okay, project intern you had worked in, okay, you worked at data science intern, data science and machine learning, data science. Okay, Tanushri, by the way, for what you want to, what do you want me to check in your resume for? Which respective job role you want me to do? Can you open a PDF so that link will be working? Okay, okay, fine, Tanushri, links might work in the PDF. It's okay, fine. Tanushri, you want me to check it for which respective job role? For what you want to do? I was looking for analyst or a software engineer. Okay, analyst, Wipro, you worked with UI UX. Okay, data science, research intern for Google. Okay, fine, that will work. Projects which you have made in CNN, ML, okay, done. Face recognition done. AI assistant done. Errors classification. Okay, Tanushri, I'll give you a suggestion over here. Okay, Tanushri, you have added all your 4 projects which are for your either from machine learning or for your data analyst, right? So you can add a sort of a project which is something related to your software engineering field only, or I'll like recommend you, Tanushri, when you are applying for a data analyst role, so put all of these projects only. Okay, but when you are applying for a software engineering position, put the projects which are related to software engineering. Okay, not related to your data science or machine learning. That is what you can do. Otherwise, it is written very well. Something with data science. Okay, that I understood. It's written very well. Position of responsibility. student coordinator you have been. ठीक है, if you do not put this position also ना, this position part, it will completely be okay. ठीक है, and achievements and certifications, tip scholar, Google hacker rank, semi-finalist in this. Okay, quite fine. Elance which understands the commands. Perfect. ठीक है, fine. Tanushi, the complete resume is very well made. Everything is quite very good into it. I do not need to make any changes. Just small changes which I told you. Make that changes, and further it will be so awesome for you to go and apply. And if I would have been here, so I would have taken in your resume for further interview. It's quite very well versed. So very good, Tanushi. Just make that quite small changes. It will work in perfectly for you. Okay, ठीक है, it's done for Tanushi. Next we are having Pradeep. Okay, Pradeep, I have checked in your resume, and into your resume there is your contact details, means your phone number is visible into that. Okay, so I will request if you can remove in your contact details and resend me right now. I'll right now check it up for you. Okay, or if you want that contact details, it doesn't matter for you if it is shown over here also, then you can tell me. I'll open it and check it for you. Okay. Syed Mukhtar. Okay, Syed, yes, for you also the details are shown. Okay, for you also details are shown, means your contact number is shown. So try hiding that and resend me the resume right here, and I'll write it, check it out for you. Shaurya. Okay, yeah, Shaurya, for you I have the resume. 1 second. Oh, 1 second. This one. Okay, for Shaurya I have to open it in the PDF only. So 1 second. This one. Okay, so we have here Shaurya. Okay, everything is LinkedIn ID. That's working. Okay, links are working. Okay, good, very good. Your personal details. Okay, code share fleet code, Google Cloud profile. Okay, fine. Education is the SRM Institute of Science and Technology. We take this 2024. And okay, to Shaurya, I'll recommend you that what you could do is that you can just once write in your education about your 10th and the 12th also, like in which year you completed. Okay, if you don't write the percentage also, it will work in. Just write that year, just put a new bullet point, write your school college name, right? Into that write just completed in year, whatever year you have completed, just write that also. Okay, so mention your 10th and the 12th details both here. Skills relevant coursework is this: languages, developer tools, data science skills, platform software. Okay, Shaurya, one thing to check in: languages and developer tools. These two headings are having some different font other than the all the fonts. So try changing languages and developer tool font to the same of the above. Okay. Software skills, okay. Projects, prediction using X-ray images, so data controller. Okay, just reduce the size of this two. Okay, you have made that bold, correct, it's fine correctly. Reduce the size of all those. Reduce the size and make it to the size into which you have written this complete sentence only. Take it, put that size. Bold you have done, it's quite very good. So like if I see this right now, I can see that okay, you have done this, or you have used this or this. So it's very best. Okay, reach up to the accuracy of 96. Very good, fine. Sangre product built and designed for frameworks of India to provide functionalities, implemented pest prediction based corporate using. Okay, now here in the Kisan Grade project, now let's highlight what things you have done, right? What you have done, as you have done in this pneumonia prediction using X-ray images, right? In the same way in the Kisan Grade also, just write whatever you have done, fine. And here in the project, see one quite mistake. See in the Kisan Grade, it is all caps. Okay, this heading is in a small. And again this heading is in small, and the font for all the three headings is different, right? So check all the font very clearly that you have written one font and use that particular font only in your complete resume. ठीक है. So change the font of this, and yeah, either make this complete in capitals or make this Kisan Greh in small. ठीक है, your wish. Music remixer, AI based model, the model general concept of. ठीक है. Okay, so Shaurya, you want it for a analyst role. Okay, analytics role or software development or analytics. Done, fine. ठीक है. Music remixer, here you have used REST APIs and AI based short term Fourier transformation. ठीक है, okay, good. Experience, technology, operations, social in tone, bulletins point, perfect. And then Hackable Fest, you have been a contributor over here. ठीक है. Achievements and awards, coachship, global rank, this out of this, quite very good. Coachship, this out this, fine. Hacker rank, Google Cloud. ठीक है. Activities, what you have done, you have about as a campus ambassador, coding docs. Okay. Okay, one second. Your resume is of 2 pages. ठीक है. Okay. This activities part, you can reduce this a little bit. Okay, now like see, when I am, let's say if I am a recruiter and I want you to be over here as an analyst for me, so I'm not interested in what campus ambassadors you have been, right? You have been or you have worked out, right? I'm only interested in that what experience you have or what projects you have made or what internship or any experience which you have in the analyst field only. That only I'm interested. I'm not interested in all of these stuffs, right? So what you could do, you can just remove this activities parts. It's not that much needed, or you can reduce that also. You can just make it in a one single sentence. Campus ambassador, and just write where you have been. No need of this much of details about the same. Okay? Certifications, Microsoft Resume, Crash Course, available, yes, attended 1 week online workshop, AI, and participate in Flipkart, great. Now, see, if you are participating in Flipkart Great Hackathon, so mention that into your achievements and awards. Okay, mention it over here that you have participated into this particular thing, or mention it under your experience part. Don't put that under your certification. Okay, so change this line from here. Again, just try changing up all of your fonts, because fonts are quite very much mixed in each other. Make your resume in a complete same form, same font and the same size. Somewhere it is small, somewhere it is large. A proper font and a proper font name. Okay, font size and font name. Rest your resume is quite very good, Shaurya. So just these small changes you have to make in. Okay, you just make out the changes, and yeah, well, very good. You are good to go for applying up in your dream roles. Okay, good. Okay, after Shaurya we have okay, next we are having over here. Okay, Pradeep is having no problem with the contact details. So okay, what I'll do, I'll open for Pradeep now. Okay, and doing fine. And where is Pradeep's? Okay, Pradeep, by the way, when did you submitted your resume? Pradeep, I'm not sure why I'm not getting your resume. Your name is Pradeep. 1 second. Okay, fine, got it. Okay, let me open it over there only. Okay, so Pradeep, this is a resume as a data scientist. Okay. Um, ठीक है पंचल हार्बर इंस्ट्रूमेंट ठीक है okay listen this right now which we are writing now above here like Pradeep has written punctual and hardworking student who interested in learning new stuff and all these there's no need for writing this okay so if you remove this it will be much more better and remove that aspiring data scientist thing also that's not right away very much needed your email is there phone number is there okay ठीक है about your education computer science engineering okay Pradeep you want to go for which role Pradeep, for which role you want to go? Okay, Devan, Shurya, ma'am, actually right now I'm in my thodi, so ma'am, based on my resume, which you just data scientist. Okay, so education, computer science, engineering by your Institute of Technology. 80K you're currently pursuing. Okay, courses. Okay, do one thing. Remove this courses portion which you have mentioned. Okay, remove this courses. Quite this particular portion from here. So courses, programming language. Remove that. Okay. In 12th also, in 10th also, just write that no need to write 618 to 419, just write that okay in 2019 you completed it okay and remove this also from here that courses about this particular party work experience intern at Omdena present junior machine learning engineer achievements working on EDA part okay now see Pradeep here I would request you that if you can make this a little more detailed that what exactly you are working is an internship what exactly you are working for okay working on EDA part that's good which you have written I would request you to make it a more elaborative that this is much more this is more which I am doing okay so in the data collection data cleaning also co-lead of tasks just mention a little bit more in detail about the things okay intern at AWS Academy presently you are doing again for this also make a little bit more brief campus ambassador if you don't write campus ambassador also it won't make out a little bit of worry because a recruiter who is recruiting you for any of your data analyst or machine learning any role so they're not interested in getting to know about your this campus ambassador thing so remove that okay it won't affect interns write a little bit more detail how much more detail you can add up over there and try to change in this light blue color it's very light over here right either make it a little bold okay or change that color because the junior machine learning engineer that is not quite very well shown over here right if I just go and scroll it like this I won't be able to see only that what you are working for the experience of okay so increase the font for that a little bit skills by the semester okay okay fine fine skills are okay personal projects Python medical imaging ठीक है fine certificates you have got embedded in Python Udacity AWS put the certificates in bullet points ठीक है make all of this in bullet points bullets ठीक है English Telugu Tamil fine your interest is in your coding this ठीक है yeah resume is quite good okay I would just request you to make a little bit more elaborate in the projects part and in the work experience part also okay in both the parts try to make a more elaborate over there right rest resume is quite very good and I would request you do not put in your pictures over your resume okay right now it's not overtaken right so if you can please remove in your pictures from there it will be a good option okay next we are having for Ankit Patil okay okay here we are having remove this write up which you have written. Remove this write up. Okay, what only is needed is this table which you have made in SSC, HSC and this. So put your BTech onto the first. Hobbies are this. Hobbies, if you don't put also now, it won't make out any problem, right? So remove the hobbies portion as well from here. Technical skills, put this in bullets. Put this in bullets, right? Acha, you are a fresher. Okay, that is okay. Project link, an online news platform link, project link, notes found, free notes for link. Okay. Internships, okay. Okay, let me check in once. BTech first year. Okay, you are for first year. Okay, first of all, I appreciate that out a very lot that okay, being in first year, you have made your own resume also. Quite appreciated. Few points I want to mention. First of all, take any template. Okay, this I am able to see that it is a very simple into the Google Docs only. So I request you take any template for this and try making using any template as I have shown you the very first template. What was the name of that? Shaurya, right? So Shaurya template I have shown you. Tanushi, I guess Tanushi template I have shown you. That was quite very well versed, right? So you can take a sort of a one there. Okay, you can take up a sort of a template like that, right? And once you will be getting some experience, you will be writing your experience over here in detail, in which company, what project links you have given. Just try to brief about that, what more has to be written up over there. Okay, try to brief that what have you basically done in this project, what skills you have used, what functionalities you have used. Try to explain the recruiter about that particular thing. Okay. Internships, once you will do much more, so you'll be removing the campus ambassador that are not needed. Or if you have done this web developer intern at SecPy community, so you can mention that what you have done, right? Write a brief about the same, what you have done over here, right? So I hope I'm clear with this resume to Ankit. Okay. Okay, ठीक है. Pradeep, for Pradeep we have checked Adarsh. See Adarsh. Okay, Adarsh, for you, I guess the details are mentioned. Okay, one second, let me check it for you, Adarsh. Let's see first of all. Okay, Adarsh, see. Let's open it for you. Okay, Adarsh. So, okay, above it's okay. Career objective, you can remove that, Adarsh. Okay, that's not needed up. And for which role you want to check for? First of all, tell me that. Adarsh, for which job role you want me to check it for you? Adarsh, for which role? Analyst, software engineering, full stack engineer. Okay, ठीक है. Remove this career objective, not needed. Education, MS, University of Applied Science, 17 to 23. You're pursuing that, okay. Major in computer science, CGPA, relevant courses, this, okay. Okay, this, my HP, University of College, 16 to 17, June, okay, Bangalore, Venkat International, Bangalore. Okay, this Mahesh P, I guess from here you might have done in your maybe 10th or 12th, something like that, right? Or might you have taken some other degree. So mention that, okay? Skills, technical are this, languages this, softer skills are this, okay? Okay. You're looking for analyst software full stack. Okay, in that case now, Adarsh, if you're looking for these job roles, so try adding the skills like your data structures and algorithms. Okay, try adding the skills of your JavaScript, try adding the skills of your HTML, try adding CSS, right? So that is what all you have to add in the skills more, right? You can if you're looking for full stack engineer, so yeah, full stack if you are doing with Python, so in that case you can add either Django or Flutter. Okay, so try adding these more skills into your resume under the technical part. Work experience, hiring, computer vision, Spark Foundation. Okay, if you are working in present for this work experience, it's quite good. And I recommend you to write a little bit more what you have, what you are exactly doing in this work experience. Okay, what exactly you are doing in this internship. Write a little bit more in detail about the same. Okay, university projects. Okay, remove that university project portion and just make that under your project section only. Remove that university from here. Just write projects. Okay. Live sketching using Python creating model. Okay. Now you have written the detail into this, right? In this detail, I'll recommend you that just highlight the portions or just bold out those portions where you have used something. As in you have used up, might you have used somewhere OpenCV library. Right, so just write that OpenCV and make that bold, so that once I see the resume like this, now I can, if without reading only, I can see that okay, this all have been done, right, in that manner. So that is thing. And certification workshop and 7-day bootcamp, okay, achievements, this. Fine. Now if you're looking for roles like your software engineering full stack, this is only for your data analyst role only, this resume. Okay, if you look for full stack or software, so try to add in some projects which are related to your full stack whenever you are submitting for the full stack role, and try to add in some projects which are related to your software engineer whenever you're submitting it for the software engineer. Okay, the rest resume is good, the template and everything is quite very good. Okay, great, fine. Next we are having after Adarsh, we done. Okay, Rishi ma'am, Deloitte, UCI consulting analyst or TCS digital. Okay, Rishi, if you have got both the offers from the companies, so you can based over your choice, whatever you want to wish for, whatever role you want to go, you can check that once. Okay, Meet, no problem, contact, can you please review my resume? Okay, Meet. Okay, fine, let me find in yours. Okay, done. Okay, Meet, for you, for what you want me to do? For which role, Meet? Till the time, let me answer question for Devansh. Sure, ma'am, if my 10th percentage is quite good in comparison to 12th one, so can just write a year and percentage of my class 10 or... Okay, Shaurya, just no need to write in your percentage. Okay, just write that 10th I have completed in this year, 12th I have completed in this year. Just write that. Okay, no need to write the percentage, it doesn't matter. Just write that 10th I have completed in this year, 12th I have completed in this year. Data analyst and SC, if it, okay, fine, Meet. Okay, BTech Electronics 2019 to 23. It might be you are pursuing this, right? MIT Academy of one. So in front of that, write pursuing also. Okay, just write pursuing also. Meet. Okay, higher secondary done, senior secondary done. Okay. Internship, I worked as a machine learning intern in 6 to 8, okay, for 2 months as a machine learning intern in FinLab. Student interview, I was signed for. Okay, fine, that's good. Projects, automatic this, take comparisons for photo distress, design for bit ALU. Okay, good. Skills are this, seminars, training workshops, Amazon certificates. You got this, okay. Position responsibility, coordinator management for the Code Shift Club, ticket achievements, this. Okay. Okay. I don't think so if there is anything needed to change in your resume, Meet, because I guess it's quite a very good resume. If you just want to make a little bit more good, so in the skills portion you can divide the skills as other people have done, like technical skills one side, databases skill one side, right, visualization skill, let's say one side. That type of skill set you can just make up here. Otherwise your resume is perfect, no changes are required. Just work on a little bit of that skills portion, right? Rest it's all good. Very well done actually. Okay, for me that is done. Then we have for Ritesh. Okay, Ritesh. Okay, I'll find it for you. ठीक है, you have shared in the doc format. अच्छा no, I have only opened doc format. ठीक है, let me check. Ritesh, what do you want me to review in for you? For which role? Where I have the PDF, I don't know. Data science. Okay, take it. Ritesh, I'm just trying to find in a real resume, the one which I haven't opened in the PDF format. I'm trying to find it out. I have only one for you. Have you? I guess you have shared in this only. ठीक है. Data science and ML. Okay. Ritesh, this is of interest and study data science and ML. Okay. Python, NLP and computer. Area of interest and study. No, I won't be able to review like this. I need your real resume. Yeah, I want it in the PDF format. This manner, I won't be able to check it for you. Ritesh, have you shared me in any other format? Have you shared me only in docs format, Ritesh? I request you please share it in the PDF if you have done only in docs. Ritesh. Okay, next we are having Pranav. Yeah, please share it in the doc in the PDF format. I'll check it for you. Oh, what was the name? Next name, it was Pradeep. No, it was Pranav. Pranav. Okay, 1 second. Pranav just okay. Pranav Mishra, right? Yeah, fine. Pranav, for you, I have it. 1 second. Okay, Pranav Mishra. This one. Pranav, you want me to review it for your data analytics, ठीक है? Okay, Pranav. ठीक है, Pranav, first of all, you can remove this photo. It's not needed. Data analytics, ठीक है, you can write that. Contact. Okay, good. Everyone, I want you to review. I want you all to remove your details like this only. Okay, as he has done, it's good. ठीक है. About me, okay. No need to write about me portion, Pranav. You can remove that. Okay, no need to write that. Technical skill, Python, C++, Django skill, Bootstrap, get out. Okay, see, if you are going for this data analytics role, so now here you need to even mention up, remove C++ from here, remove Django, remove Bootstrap, because these are your full stack things, right? So if you are going for a data analytics resume, so only add up the skills which are of your data analytics, like your Python, your SQL, adding your Tableau or Power BI, right? Adding up your NumPy, Pandas, Seaborn, Matplotlib, these libraries, add machine learning, add these all skills except of your C++, Django, Bootstrap. Okay? Okay, educational background. Lovely profession, Miss MCA, October present. Okay, Dev Sanskriti, bachelor's in computer applications, 18 to 21. Okay, okay. Languages are your Hindi. In education background, you can just add in up when you have done your 10th and when you have done your 12th year of passing. Okay, just add those. Languages are done. Volunteer experience for Scouts and Guides Rover. Volunteer experience. Okay, fine, will work. What about your project? Sports manager. Acha, sports management system. So just try to brief in about a little bit more about your project, that what you have done over here. Okay, what next, what else you have done, or what was all done over here, what skills you have used, what functions you have used, what things you have used up. Just write a brief about that, so as if I look over here, I can get in that okay, this you have done. Okay, so that's done. Certificates, so just remove the dates from here, not needed. And certificates are okay, these are okay. Okay, so it is for Pranav. Pranav, I'll just get you one thing. You can just add once as experience when you gain some experience, right? Add a option of your experience over here instead of about me. Okay, and try whenever you are making more projects, try adding all of those projects more over here under your what things you have done. Okay, what functions you have used. So try to write the briefs, and if you are making for data analytics, add the projects which are related to data analytics, or add the respective skills which are related to data analytics only, right? I hope that will help you, Pranav. Okay, next we are having Janvi. Okay. ठीक है, जानवी पांडे. Okay, Janvi, for which role you want me to review it for you? Yeah, Janvi, for which role you want to review it for you? Okay, Janvi, software engineer. Okay. Okay, LinkedIn is given, GitHub is given. Okay. I guess you might have used any template, na? This is not. No, you haven't used any template. Okay, Janvi, I recommend you to use a template. Okay, first of all, you can use up any template from Docs, Google Docs. From there, you can take a template. Okay. For software engineer. Okay, see, the very first thing for you, Janvi, is that if you want to go for a software engineer role, so the projects which you have added that are not related to your software engineer, right? That are related to your Python stuffs. Okay, so try adding the projects which are related to your software stuff, right? To your software engineer. Certifications. ठीक है, okay. Microsoft MLS, ठीक है, fine. Education, ABS, take that education to first place. Okay, take the education to first place. ABES, okay, 21-25, you're doing this. From KV, you did your intermediate. Okay. Experiences. Okay, yeah, for now you might not have that experience, right? So once you have done in some experience, some internship or anything like that, so you can add that experience under the internship part. Okay, skills, ठीक है, for now it is okay. Awards, okay. Interest in this language, this, ठीक है, fine. Janvi, for you right now the resume is okay, right? Accordingly, as I guess you might be into your second year only, resume for that is good, but once you are into your third year, maybe into your 5th, 6th semesters, you might gain in more certifications, you might gain in more experience, you might gain in more skills. So try adding all of those in a very good manner, and try taking any template. You haven't used out any template over here, right? So take any template from Google Docs, and then you can just rewrite your complete resume in that template. It might look more good. Right now it's looking good, but it's little bit looking messy. I'm not able to distribute that from where what is coming, right? So just try to put it up into a proper template. Perfect. Okay. We have Ritesh. Okay. Okay, we have this. Okay, Devan, sure, ma'am, in 1 year gap, like drop year gap matters between college. Great. No, Devansh, it won't get any bad impact onto your resume. Basically, if your recruiter asks that for what you have done, so you can simply tell that I have taken the gap year for this respective thing. Okay, so that will not matter at all. Okay, I in third year civil engineering. Okay, area of interest and study. Remove that area of interest and study. Okay, remove it from here. Education. Okay, Lance School of 12th standard. Okay, in my education, first of all, write that what you are pursuing. Okay, you're currently pursuing in your third year civil engineering. Okay, so just write up here. First of all, NIT Jamshedpur, third year, from this year to this year, pursuing. Okay, Lions from Lions School, just write Lions School, intermediate, and just write the year when you completed. This all is not at all needed. Okay, experience. Okay, you have this experience, it's good. Try to write in a bullet point and just try to write in the brief about that and what you have done into this respective internship, what analysis you have done, what tools you have used, right? Everything over there, right? Technical skills, okay, general skills, okay, what achievements, okay. Projects, now see here the projects, you have written 5 projects, right? Now you have to brief also that what you have done into which project, like let's say house price and flight price prediction model. Now what you have analyzed, what tools you have used, what libraries you have used, you just have to give a complete brief about the same. So for all the projects, give your brief that what you have done or what you things have been done over here by you, what tools you have used, which functions you have used, which libraries you have used. Write out everything. Position of responsibility, remove that portion, it's not needed. Okay, so if this is a resume for data analytics, it's fine. Slowly and gradually you can add more things over here in the terms of your projects, in the terms of your experience and everything. Rest it is all okay. Okay, you can just add in your email ID as well over here. So if a person wants to contact you, they can contact you for the same, right? Okay. Okay, Akshit Thakur. Akshit Thakur. Okay, I guess it is okay. This one. Okay, ma'am, please. Okay, Rite. Okay, most welcome, Ritesh. Khansham, ma'am, please reply. B economics eligible for. Yeah. Any field, any particular degree, anyone is completely eligible for doing the data scientist. Okay. Okay, come to Akshit. Akshit, if I see your resume like this, it's very light. Okay, the color which you have used, that is very light, so try to darken the color first of all. Akshit Thakur, LinkedIn, career objective, remove that career objective, not needed too much. Or if you have written one line, okay, it's fine. Education, 19 to 23, so write the pursuing also over there, okay? And from this you have done your high school. You can remove the subjects in your class 12th, okay, that's not needed. Work experience, Doordarshan trainee, Lucknow. Okay, actually they want me to software engineer, data analyst. Okay, trainee, role of service from audio studios and this. Okay, technical skills, Python, video tape recording, playback process. Okay, Cisco Networking Academy, you have worked over here. Cyber security intern, technical skills are this. Take care. Okay, now it will be Akshit. Okay, Akshit, I'll recommend you that try doing or try working a little bit over the main portion of the data analyst, that is your checking of your data, analyzing up your data, visualizing up your data. Okay, so just start doing a little work onto that basis also, and you can just put that particular work experience over here, right? University projects, face detection you have. Okay, remove this university project, just write projects over there. Okay, face detection, okay, food ordering system, okay, fine. These are your skills. These are your achievements. Interest, if you don't put also it will work, but okay, if you have put then it is okay. And languages are this. Fine, perfect. ठीक है Akshit, your this resume is well. Just try to make the color a little darken, and in the work experience try to put the work related to your data science system, so it is all good. Okay, rest it is fine. Okay, after Akshit we have Tushar and then Siddharth. Okay, Tushar, this. Okay, Tushar, work experiences as a class. And Tushar, you want me to do it for which role? Tushar, which role? Okay, Flask intern as a software 22 current. ठीक है. Education is okay, relevant. Okay, Tushar, are you there, Tushar? Okay, we will might review it for afterwards. Next we are having Siddharth, I guess. Siddharth. Okay. Hi Anshul, welcome to the live stream. I hope you are doing good. Okay, Siddharth. Profile summary undergraduate. You can move the profile summary. Education 1923, ISC English. ठीक है, done. Education is okay. Skills. Okay. Name is Siddharth, right? Siddharth, for which role you want me to check for? Which job role? Skills are this. Technical. And tools are this. Fine, good. Skills are written in a very good manner. Experience internship, Tech Mahindra AI lab intern, student Silicon Institute, perfect. Selected projects, image classification, extracurricular and achievements. Okay, I don't know Siddharth here you are or not, but the resume is very good. I do not find anything to make change here for. It's quite very good. Okay, data science analytics, ठीक है, that your resume is good. It's fine. As I checked in, as I said, that resume is quite well. So I do not need to make any changes into that. It's very perfect. Okay, Devang, sorry, ma'am. Right now I'm in my third year, so ma'am, based on resume, which just please guide that according to you, which role is best for me. I'm a bit confused. Okay, Shaurya, I guess for you the data analytics role is the best one which you can go for. Perfect. So now everyone, I request whosoever else is there and who haven't submitted their resumes for me to review, you have the form over here pinned in the chat box. Everyone go ahead and fill in up your resumes for me. Give your resume to me and I can review it and let you know what more changes you can make up into your resume so that it gets in shortlisted into your dream jobs and dream internships, right? So I hope that's quite pretty much helpful for everyone over here to getting up the insights about your resumes, like what you can make in more, what you can work more over here, and what more changes you can make up, right? So again, I'm saying those who ever haven't nor have not submitted their resumes over here, I request those people to submit up your resume, even share it with your friends also as much as you can, so that they can also get it and they can also get their resumes or CVs reviewed by me over here. Okay. Okay, Anshul, we can take in your last resume here. Anshul Singh, take. Okay, Anshul, first of all, I request you to remove in your pictures that are not done right now. Remove this student from here. Remove this profile which you have written portion not needed. Contact me is okay. Achievements and awards, ठीक है. Certifications, okay. Education, BTech. Okay, just write that if you are pursuing, do not write as expected year of our graduation 2024. Write if you are pursuing. Okay. And write it when you're pursuing. Even write in when you completed your 10th and when you completed up your 12th years. Okay. Programming skills. Amplifier base. I guess you are looking for a web developer or some role, right, Anshul? Projects, web application, web application, students club, web application. Okay, fine. So all of these are okay. Okay, projects are quite good. You just need to work a little about your experience portion, because experience is not written anywhere over here. So I request you to work for the experience part, right? Just get in some experience in any internship or anything like that, and you can apply in for the same. Rest all the things are fine in resume. Okay, Devansh. Okay, sure. Yeah, you can anytime reshare your resume and I'll review it. Not a worry. Ghanshyam, what mathematics required for data scientist? Statistics and probability is the most important part. Ghanshyam, statistics and probability is the most important part. Okay. Okay, we have okay, again the last resume for today, Roshan. Okay, again the last resume for today. Let me check it first. Until the time, whosoever haven't shared in these forms with your friends who want the resumes or CVs to get reviewed, share it very quickly. Roshan Kumar, IIT Goa, okay. Education, MTech, actually pursuing your MTech from IIT Goa, it's okay. BE class 12, class 10th, okay. Experiences TA at IIT Goa under, okay. September present, where you worked over this, Newton School trainee. Fine, projects are mentioned, very good. Okay, link for two are provided. If you can provide a link for the rest 3 also, it will be very good, okay. Skills, these are technical skills, okay. Certificates are linked, okay. Achievements are fine. Extracurricular and hobbies, fine. Perfect resume, no changes required. Perfect resume, no changes required. Roshan, it's quite very good. Devansh, next resume session, I'm not sure. Maybe you people will get the notifications based on in next 3 to 5 days it will happen up. Okay, you will get some notifications onto your mobile phones. Even I'll upload some reference on my channel also, that when will be my next resume review, and yeah, there you can come in. Great guys, so it was so awesome joining you people all over here. Thanks everyone for joining in. Again, I'll say the people next who are going to submit their resumes, please remove up your contact details from there and share it as much as you can with your friends. Thank you everyone for joining. It was great having people over here, and we'll see you all very soon with the next resume review live session. So thank you everyone. Bye bye guys, and take care.